Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. A masterpiece of design, engineering, and rugged versatility, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and capability. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the bustling world of luxury RVs. First, let's talk about the interior. GMC is known for its durable craftsmanship, and the 2026 Savana Limo Camper is no exception. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly retrofitted living area that blends refined aesthetics with functional luxury. The materials used throughout are of the highest quality, from Napa leather seating to walnut wood trim. The living room area includes a large flat-screen TV, a premium sound system, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with light. The kitchen is fully equipped with the latest appliances, including a built-in coffee machine, a refrigerator, and a stylish wine cooler for those who appreciate the finer things in life. The bedroom, with a convertible queen-size bed, offers unmatched comfort, and the ensuite bathroom features high-end fixtures and clever space-saving design, ensuring that you have all the comforts of home even when you're on the move. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Savana Limo Camper is a true showpiece. With its extended body and sleek limousine-inspired profile, it commands attention on the road. The exterior is finished in a durable metallic paint that looks impressive while standing up to long-distance travel. The large electronic awning creates a perfect outdoor lounge space, while custom LED lighting and the signature GMC grille add an air of exclusivity. Built on a reinforced chassis with stability control and integrated off-grid systems, the Savana is both tough and refined. The attention to detail on the exterior is exceptional, ensuring that this motorhome stands out wherever it goes. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Savana Limo Camper offers a range of capable powertrains. Whether you're cruising on highways or heading off the beaten path, this rig delivers a dependable drive. Engine options include a robust diesel, fine-tuned for long-distance cruising and towing. Coupled with an adaptive suspension and advanced stability control, the ride remains smooth even when fully loaded. The vehicle is equipped with driver assist features, including 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, making navigation through tight spots and busy environments easier than ever before. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Savana Limo Camper is definitely a premium product, and its price reflects that. With a starting price of around $250,000, it's a serious investment, but one that brings limo-level comfort, camper functionality, and rugged GMC DNA in one extraordinary package. When you invest in this camper, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're elevating your adventures to a whole new class of mobile luxury. To sum up, the 2026 Savana Limo Camper is an extraordinary blend of rugged capability, refined luxury, and cutting-edge technology. It offers a level of comfort and sophistication that swiftly redefines what a motorhome or limo can be. Whether you're planning cross-country expeditions or desire the ultimate in mobile elegance, the Savana Limo Camper delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.